To prevent the unit from tipping forward, it must be secured with the anti-tip brackets shipped with the unit. Before installing the brackets, protect your eyes with safety glasses, especially when drilling into either wood or concrete. Warning: verify there are no electrical wires or plumbing in the area that the screws could penetrate. Warning: the unit could tip forward under certain load conditions. Failure to install both anti-tip brackets and extend the levelers to the floor could result in serious injury or death. Set the brackets in place and locate 2 wood studs. The brackets must be placed within the location shown. For flush inset applications, locate the brackets within the location shown. Mark the screw locations and drill pilot holes. Secure the brackets in place. Check to see that the screws penetrate through the flooring material into the wall studs or wall plate. Be sure that the screws hold tight. If the screws do not hit a wall stud or plate, secure the bracket to the wall using the parts shown. For concrete floor applications, use the concrete wedge anchors, screws, and washers provided. Drill pilot holes, then be sure the screws penetrate into the wall studs or wall plate. Be sure that the screws hold tight. Use a carbide drill bit, manufactured within ANSI specifications. Drill 3/8 inch diameter holes into the concrete, a minimum of 1 1/2 inch deep. Assemble the washer and nut flush with the end of the anchor to protect threads. Drive the anchor through the material to be fastened until the washer is flush with the surface material. Tighten both nuts 3 to 5 turns past hand tight, or to 25 foot-pounds of torque. Repeat steps with the second bracket. Anchors are not recommended for use in lightweight masonry materials, such as block or brick, or for use in new concrete that has not had time to cure.